Next week ndambogara pamunamato werudo kuti vanhu vambodanana mudzimba. Vasina vakomana vambowanawo vakomana, vasina vasikana vawana vasikana. We want to take away spiritual husbands if they are causing you not to be loved, not to be proposed. We want to take away spiritual wives if they are taking you away from your family, from your loved ones. So it's not a small service, it's a big service. The topic is going to be very simple. I want us to talk about love. Knowing that love constitutes a lot. There's the issue of communication, there's the issue of affection, issue of attention, there's the issue of respect, there's the issue of working together. Who do you love? How can you love them? When sickness comes to a man, a lot happens. When sickness comes to a woman, a lot happens. So we want healing to happen, for affection to come back. So next week is not an ordinary service.